I want to say welcome to Cruising with the Case Handler, hosted by yours truly, David Anarchy, and of course, Adam Handler, the attorney. And of course, this is where we jump into actually speaking with you on, of course, quite a bit of things when it comes to personal injury. Adam Handler, how you doing today?
Good morning. Good morning. When we were cruising with the case handler, when we were driving, for those of you who were listening a month ago, we would always say it's Testimonial Tuesday, or it's Hump Day Wednesday, or it's Thursday, which is, we used to say it was Weekend Eve. I don't know if that necessarily even matters anymore. The 3 days that matter are yesterday, today, and tomorrow. But we're here. We're live. It's April 9th. And we're getting through this. We really are. And we're about 3 weeks into this quarantine experiment in which myself and my team have been working remotely. And I got to tell you, I am just overly surprised how effective we can be when we're not in our office environment. My biggest fear was that, we are divided. We're on our living rooms or home offices. How can we collaborate as a team? And I've got such wonderful people, and I knew this all along, but it's just proven to be, I've got wonderful people on the case handler team, fighting for the clients, fighting for you guys out there to make sure that you get maximum compensation for your injury. Last week alone, we settled over $1 million in lawsuit cases. I mean, can you imagine $1 million doing it from your desk? $1 million, not even wearing pants. Right? It's truly remarkable. But these people that brought their case to us when they were in either a car accident, a construction accident, or a slip and fall, they didn't say, "Oh, I got to bring it to this attorney because they're going to fight through a pandemic." Nobody could have possibly ever thought that. But they had the confidence in us knowing that no matter what we were up against, whether it's coronavirus, an unreasonable insurance company,
natural disasters, whatever it may be,
an a-hole defense lawyer, we're going to fight, and we're going to make sure that you get maximum compensation, your medical bills paid, your time out of work paid, your pain and suffering compensated for, because there are no redos. We say this over and over, but I can't express enough. You have one chance to get it right. You can never reopen a case. You can't say, I need more later. You got to hit them hard, and you got to hit them hard the first time, whether you're in your office, in the courtroom, or in your living room working. All right. And that's exactly what we do. So we say for that one chance, there should be one choice, and that's your case handler team. My phone number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529.
You like doing my job, don't you?
What do you say?
You like doing my job, don't you?
You know what, though? I like doing everybody's job lately. I feel like I'm the captain.
Even in the house, right?
I got to do it. And I'm going to take control over my practice. I'm going to take control over your case. And if I have to, I'll take control of this damn show, because I need people to understand what we do here at Pollock Isaac DeSico, a firm that I'm a partner with. I'm third generation.
Your energy today, by the way.
What do you say?
I'll just say that, but I am loving your energy today.
Well, yesterday you were saying you got to bring me up. I came ready to bring the heat. But you know what, Dave? That's David. Facts, right? These are facts. You tell the world what we do. I can talk myself blue in the face, and listen, as a white guy, you'll really see the blue. But I can't express to you how important the choice of an attorney is. You got one chance, one choice. We're your case handler. 844-774-3529.
Absolutely. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, it is true. He is a personal injury attorney. He did not say this part, though, and I like saying this part. Adam would not be where he is today if it were not for his experience with some great clients, and also because of how charismatic, how much he's like a true family member. And also, this part I like to put in there. He has been doing this for 15 solid years within the Caribbean community, also outside of the Caribbean community, but primarily for the Caribbean community. If there's anyone And I'm saying this, if there's anyone who have an automobile or get into an automobile accident, a slip and fall, a construction accident, any kind of injury that you get in, where you think, not even think, you may want to find out if you need legal help. If you get into an automobile accident, slip and fall, ladies and gentlemen, medical malpractice, a construction accident, on the job accident, nursing home incident, or issues going on there, bed sores and so forth. Every single person in the Caribbean community, I will say this, let me take off my glasses, and I'm saying this, you should not be going to another personal injury attorney. This man understands the Caribbean community. He has worked with the Caribbean. He has dedicated most of his life to working with Caribbean people, Caribbean immigrants, people who are affiliated with the Caribbean communities. I'm not saying he does not do other communities or other cultures, okay, other ethnic groups and all. He does every group, but primarily he focuses on the Caribbean community. That's how he started out, and he's still here, and he has settled well over $100 million for this community.
It's the community that
go anywhere else.
It's the community that has embraced me, and it's the community that I embrace.
Absolutely.
You know, and if I can spend the rest of my career, you know, servicing only Caribbean clients, then I can rest easy when it comes time to hang it up, even though I don't plan on ever doing that. But, you know, I'll say to my maker that I helped some wonderful people, some loving people, some trusting people, some loyal people. Because you know what? Especially when you're an immigrant and you don't know where to turn, the chances of you becoming a victim twice are so high. You're a victim in an accident, and then you're a victim if you either don't seek the appropriate legal representation, or you just go with somebody that came recommended to you by a friend, or that came up to you at the scene of the accident or an emergency room, or even advertises on this radio station just because they bought airtime. All attorneys aren't created equal. You should know that, especially during times like these, you can count on only a very small group of individuals, people that have proven to be reliable and effective no matter what the circumstances are. I truly hope that everybody out there knows and understands that the case handler team are those individuals. And God forbid you ever come across an accident, because let's face it, folks, these days, I think we're learning more and more. You should expect the unexpected. You'll have the number saved. You'll give us a call, and we'll let you know how we can help you and your family face such a difficult time in your life. Again, my number is 844-774-3529 or 844-PPID-LAW.
That's 844-774. What do we normally say, Adam? What should they do? They should call you for how many seconds?
You know, you say 15 to 20. I think 12 to 16. But you know what? You always go bigger than I do. Always go bigger than I do.
And what's the number, Adam?
844-774-3529. The number for your case handler.
Once again, folks, 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on. Let me just cut Zenmar off right now. He's on the you know, interrupting our clearly. Yeah, we just that. So 844-774-3529. Want to say a pleasant good morning to Rudy. I'm wearing my Jamaican t-shirt here, so we just say one love to you, Rudy. One love to you, case handler. One love to all the people who have ever used Adam Handler as their personal injury attorney. One love to all the people on this station who know that when they get into that accident, the slip and fall, the construction accident, any accident, they're going to be calling the case handler, because you've got one chance, one choice, and he's truly your case handler, and he has been so for the past 15 years. We spoke with Wendy recently. We spoke with Judge recently. That's what we called him, that
right.
unit, Judge. Okay, we've got many true success stories that you will find that we'll bring on. How many people can bring on consistently, back to back, week to week, month to month, year to year, and decade to decade? True success stories, okay, where Adam has settled well over, ladies and gentlemen, $100 million for a community that needed someone that they could trust and believe in, someone that going to treat them like family. And that's the reason why I am on the radio yelling, screaming, sometimes being modest, sometimes being nice, charming, and all different kinds of unorthodox ways.
We love every
Make sure
version,
that you
please. We
save
love
the
every
phone
version.
number for a guy that is wearing a shirt that shirt that he has, I have that identical shirt in my closet. So make sure you save the number for two guys on the radio who have the same shirt, but they're not wearing at the same time. But he's your personal injury attorney as my earbuds drop out. The number once again is 844 for a personal injury attorney. That is your case handler. 774-3529. Once again, 844-774-3529. I have enough energy for him. I have enough energy for you because I know you're doing the right thing. If you're listening to this station, you're choosing one attorney. And don't make any mistakes. If he's not the case handler, if his name does not end with handler, you got the wrong attorney. Let me repeat that. If the attorney you're retaining, his name does not end with handler, that's his real name, Handler, you've got the wrong attorney. The number, dial it now, let it ring 15, 20 seconds, 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Adam Handler, you're the case handler, man. We're going to be concluding, but I'll let you have the final word.
We said it all. There's not much more to say. But I will end with this again. And this is the most important message you can get. You got one chance. There should be one choice. I'm your case handler. Hopefully you never need the number. God forbid you do. 844-774-3529. Good luck. God bless. Stay healthy. And we'll talk again tomorrow morning.
Thank you all so much for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a pleasure. Prior results do not guarantee similar outcome. This has been an attorney advertisement brought to you by the law firm of Pollock, Isaac, and DeSico, where Adam Handler is a partner, and we're looking forward in continuing in serving you. Adam Handler settling well over $100 million. My being on the radio for well over 2 decades and working with him for 15 of those 2 decades. Thank you so much for joining us. Have yourself an amazing day. Stay safe. Remember to adhere to all the things that we need to do in order to do so. My name is David Aniki. Thank you so much for joining the Case Handler, and we keep cruising. Take care.